I'll be showing you how to install a magnetic shower door seals onto the glasses. A lot of people just line the seal up with the edge of the glass and then just try to tap it on like this, or try to start from here, push it really hard, but that doesn't help. That's not going to put the strip on. What you want to do is you want to put one edge of the seal onto the glass first, like this. Make sure that it's inside, make sure it sticks in, and then just work your way gently through the edge of the glass so that the whole shower door seal is stuck on the glass. For the other side, you want to do the same. Put on one end of the glass and then work your way through the glass door. So that the whole shower door seal is stuck onto the glass, and then they'll be perfectly matching.